You know what happened? I was thinking like this, like a idiot.
Where is Pooja Bakery?
I don't know.
No, I can't zoom.
Hey guys,
After almost 10 months, I'm meeting my best friend. So let's see how it goes. You just wanted to see the CCTV recording, like seriously. I just forgot to export it before 15 days. Like, yo man, I just forgot. My friend's favorite dish. So they're ignoring me. So now we thought to go out for a lunch because it's been such a long time we never went, like the whole gang. So guys, I have already uploaded the review of this restaurant. You all must know where we went, right? So guys, if you haven't watched the review video yet, please do go and watch it after this video, and yes, let me know how you feel about that. So guys, this was the food what we ordered and what we ate. Seriously, it was yummy and yummy in my tummy. La 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 la. If you all want to know how was the food, go watch my review video. At last we took a boomerang. Here we go. Now we were near Mounts because Richa had some work in the college, and yeah, Pragya will be doing each and everything for us. So only she is called as teacher. You know? Yeah, you all must know.
So guys, basically we thought to go to the candy shop. Those two idiots are going over there and I'm going.
Hi guys, basically I'm going to the candy shop because I just love the candy. Tell hi. Tell hi, no. Hi. Yeah, let's go. Come. This was the same reaction what I did when this happened.
The shop was closed. I'm not getting mirror how to look it. No, this is nice. I'm looking cute, like white. Right.
I don't know what happened, but the shop was closed.
So we are heading towards Madrid.
Guys, just wait for my friend's reaction, okay? Just wait.
So guys, there was the best scene which happened. Basically, Pragya was recording the video and she was doing. Just see what happened, okay? Just listen to it properly. So guys, if these two girls are entering to any shop, they will shop for hours together. Like seriously, it can take 3 to 4 hours. They will be shopping for the whole day. Yes, I know this. And you all need to know this, okay? So guys, now we were heading towards Amoeba. Seriously, we wanted to play. I was just waiting for the security guard to come and do the process, and no one came. That was so bad, and I did everything on my own. So guys, if someone don't know where is it, it is in Mantri, 3rd floor, and you can come with your friends, family, or you can come alone and you can play. I am telling this, okay? Yes. So guys, now you all know what we were about to play, and yes guys, this was the first time because I have never played. So guys, this is the first clip of Richa bowling, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I don't have words for this girl, just watch. Guys, this was the first try of me in my whole life, and it was a flop. 0!
Yes.
never give up, okay?
Yeah.
346 minutes later.
This is what happens every time teacher should win and students should learn from that. You know, right? Yes, guys. Guys, don't think there is some miracle which is happening in this game. Just see, every time the teacher will win, and yes, we should learn from her. Yeah, just see, guys, just see. The same story repeats, nothing else. She won. Me and my favorite.
Hey Mandira, basketball champion! 50 you have to do at least. What? At least 50. Yeah. It's 20, 30 more. 30 seconds, 25.
So I was so done, but I never gave up. Yeah, you should never give up. Scoring so much in just a minimal time is not so easy, Baba. So guys, this is the best advice I will give to all of them over there. Seriously, if you have any anger or any frustration, come and just play this game. Hit that duck that you're hitting a person whom you are very angry on. If you don't know, just see what Richu does.
No, don't do that. No.
Guys, you all saw it right. Just like that. Just like that. Go and hit the duck properly, da. So guys, we were all done and we were so tired, and this was the last game what we played, and it was just a dumb game, but it was so nice. For all of them who just want to see how the ambience looks and what and all game do they have, here is a video clip. I have added it. Just see it, and if you like it, please do come and play over here. It will be so nice. Your mood will be like yay, yay, yay. So guys, you all can just pay the amount and get a card for yourself. If you're someone who is new over here, it's all fine. You all can get it, and it is not for free if I'm not wrong. You should pay at least 35 bucks for that card, and if you have the same card, you can use it or reuse it every time when you come over here. And yes, they will take, for bowling I guess they'll take 300 per person, so we almost spent 1500 if I'm not wrong. Yes guys, ta-da! Guys, whatever may happen, Pragya can never miss a hi, for sure. Thought of telling a hi for everyone, but see what happened. Just see.
Mandira, no.
Bye Mandira. Bye. We'll meet very soon. Like you do.
So guys, if you all don't know who is she is my other best friend, and she is Pratibha, and I love her and I missed her so much. See the way she is walking. So you all know we missed each other for such a long time, and yes, take a hi from her. And we were chit chatting like mad people, and I just forgot to do any video what we did. And yes guys, we went to a restaurant, and I will be reviewing this restaurant very soon. This is what every best friend does. Yes, not only me. So guys, if you would have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys.